Well, here we are with Julia Walker at Peace Point number 3. Julia, good afternoon to you.
Hi, Michael.
Well, you've been living in the RV setup, the RV life for several years. You're an experienced RVer. What would you say to anybody who hasn't lived in RVs? They're from the city. What are the specifics to living in an RV setup?
Make sure you like a nomad life. It's totally different from house living. It's the best kind of life, especially for retirement. A very simple life, but there are a lot of maintenance, more so than a house. There's a lot of upkeep, and you have to keep your unit up. I smoke all our own bacon and lunch meats, and if you can smoke it, I'll smoke it. Smoke pigs.
Yes.
And we barbecue. I barbecue a lot, so hence the barbecue and the smoker. I love to grow our own food, to have healthy food, and gardening is just a passion, a pastime that just totally relaxes a person.
It's terrific. You've done a great job here, and honestly, you've transformed just an RV pad to a home with a beautiful garden, with life, with fig trees, with other plants, with flowers. It's so wonderful. You have your lovely 2 little friends who are members of the family. How are they, and how do they feel about living in a setup like this?
One of them, as long as she's got her bed of lettuce, she's happy. The other one, she loves it because she can chase the squirrels. She's great at keeping the mice away. That's all they've known. Since we've had them for 7 years. So
7 years. And what are their names?
Mocha and Dottie.
Mocha and Dottie. And now it's quiet because Mocha and Dottie are on a break.
Yes.
Julia, tell us a little about the economics of somebody living in an RV setup versus paying for a mortgage or paying for an expensive apartment in the city.
Rent is a lot more affordable. You have your own front and backyard, so to speak. You don't have to go down a hallway, down an elevator. Nobody can afford the rents. Mortgages are astronomical. For seniors or anybody on a limited income, if they can afford a good unit, it's the way to go. It's just a very peaceful, quiet life.
That's wonderful.
And here it's very, very safe.
That's wonderful. I'm glad to hear that. Julia, we thank you. You've done a great job to the people who are listening and people who are learning about RV living.
I've been a lot of parks on the coast. This one's got her all.
Perfect. Good to hear. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.